Is it recording?
Yes.
Hi guys, John Dollar here. Man, I'm so excited for today's shoot. I can't wait to show you guys what we're about to do today. So guess what? It's a bridal shoot and I don't want to bore you with any details or anything. We're going to get right into it. So come with me.
My name is Dolapo. I am the head makeup artist at Prettified Artistry, and we are here for, I'm going to be doing her makeup today. We're here for this amazing creative shoot. It's a bridal shoot, and yeah, I look forward to everything. We're about to do some magic and create magic here, so I'm excited.
Hello, my name is Gracious. I'm modeling for Prettified times Cloutier 28.
Nice. And what do you expect from today's shoot?
I expect a fun shoot. I expect nice pictures. And I expect nice pictures. Yes, of course, gentle.
Let me ask you, are you married?
No, I'm not. I'm not.
So how does it feel to actually dress up as a bride?
Oh, I can answer this after I've dressed up as a bride. Okay, my name is Tina. Hairstylist or hairstyle by TMI. I'm a bridal hairstylist actually, so we're here to create magic. It's a bridal shoot.
Nice.
Can't wait.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. I'm all the Photoshoot. Pause.
The energy is 100%. Everybody's on point. Man, these vendors are amazing, right? And I'm eager to do the shoot now, to be honest, because I've been waiting for almost 3 hours. So, but I mean, let's get the best, you know. So I'm not in a hurry. Let's do as much as we can, right? So we're about to begin the shoot, and now I want to take details, and we have one of the most beautiful models ever. Okay, so I think this light is too much. Okay, so can I get a hand gesture? So maybe you're looking at that side. You're looking at that side. No, that's too much. Maybe looking at him, and then your hand, your right hand, yeah, it's just slightly at the tip of your cheek. Yeah, like that. Oh, great. Dolapo, come see. Yeah, follow me. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, look at the design. Yeah, and then you can hold up the just a little bit like this. Great. Now, okay, can you close your eyes? Okay, no smile now. Just close your eyes. Yeah, great. Okay, can you raise your knee a bit? Yeah, great. While you're still looking at that side. Come on in, I want to show you guys one of the sets. So this is just a regular room, and I decided to style it with the lamp setup and the curtain vibes. So there's something I have in mind. I'm trying to give the old bridal feel as though we're in a hotel. I'm pretty much looking forward to how the pictures will turn out. I don't know what lens I'm using here, but most likely a wide angle lens. But I don't want to show too much of her, or too much of the room. So I don't know, maybe a 50mm. I'm not sure yet anyway, but I mean, let's just see how the pictures work. So right now we're just trying to mimic natural light. So that's why we have the warm temperature. So when she sits here now, you'll see the effects. So we have a ring light, we have the set, and then let's get our model in, okay? Please, I need your hair. Okay. No. Oh my god. Okay, can you hold it like this? Can you put your phone in your pocket? So just one in front, one at the back.
It's a wrap!
I'm sure from my face you can tell the shoot was amazing, right? Anyway, so we had the most amazing shoot ever. I'm sure you can tell from all the pictures you see. Anyway, right now, if you want to see more of this, you know, just comment, encourage us, whatever it is that you want to do. Please help to like and subscribe to our page, turn on post notifications, tell your friends, tell your families, and you know, we have more amazing content.